In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best beach cruiser bikes that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Sixthreezero Beach Cruiser Bike. This 7-speed hybrid cruiser delivers great versatility. Although its stylish colors and white sidewall tires make it perfect for cruising at the beach, the Sixthreezero EVRYjourney can tackle plenty of other terrains as riders shift up hills and speed through work commutes. Though attractive, this bike doesn't place style over function. With 2-inch thick tires and a cushioned, wide saddle, this bike is made for a comfortable, stable ride, even along bumpy streets or boardwalks. Number 2. Schwinn Huron Adult Beach. Cruiser bikes aren't a popular choice for long distances like on bikepacking trips. However, for shorter trips around town, like commuting to work, they can fit the bill. With a 7-speed drivetrain, the Schwinn Huron Adult Beach Cruiser Bike is ready to conquer any hills on your urban commute or to accelerate around traffic. Twist shifters help gear changes easy to make on the fly, while front and rear linear pulled brakes offer confident stopping power. The steel-framed cruiser offers durability and stability. It's suggested for riders up to 6 feet, 2 inches tall. Number 3. Huffy 24-inch Panama Jack Beach Cruiser Bike. Shoppers purely looking for style will find it in spades with the Huffy Panama Jack Beach Cruiser Bike. Flower detailing across the bike's frame, chain guard, and included cup holder feel straight out of a movie set in Polynesia in all the best ways possible. White sidewall tires and a front wicker basket add to the vintage appeal. Not one to compromise on comfort, Huffy also delivers its perfect fit frame, which allows the upright riding position and full leg extension typical of cruisers. The lightweight aluminum frame is a perfect match for salty beachside conditions. A dual-spring padded seat and soft, cork handlebar grips complete the comfort features. Number 4. Kulana Lakona Beach Cruiser Bike. This beach cruiser bike for kids and adults by Kulana Lakona comes with 26-inch wheels and is available in 2 colors, silver and gray/pink. It has a single-speed drivetrain that is not only easy to use, but also easy to maintain. It fits shorter individuals who are less than 5 foot tall, making it ideal for kids. The bike has extra-large fenders to protect you from dust and splashes, plus, they add a unique vintage style to the bike. It also has an extra-large spring saddle that allows for an upright riding posture. You'll love cruising around the neighborhood on this bike. Number 5. Schwinn Perla Beach Cruiser Bike. As you likely already know, Schwinn is one of the top names to know when it comes to bikes of all kinds, and this beach cruiser bike is no exception. It's a steel step-through style with swayback handlebars and stylish fenders. It has a cushy quilted seat and is available in multiple colors, including pink, yellow, blue, and coral. The seat allows for an upright riding position while the fenders help keep dirt and sand off your clothes. It has alloy linear pulled brakes that enable a quick, safe stop, along with 26-inch wheels and an 18 frame. Suitable for shorter riders, this bike has a step-over height of 19-inch.